Found this little guy screaming. My dad said, hey, that's coming from right over there. And sure enough, he walked over and this little guy is stuck in a hole. And we're gonna take care of you. I can't reach in there and pull him out. Something's stuck. We're gonna get you out of there. Don't you worry. Dad's going to get a shovel. We're gonna dig you out. All right, I can hear the truck coming. Back legs are what are of concern.
Yes.
Here.
No.
If you pull while I reach my arm down in there.
Yeah, you have to support those back legs, please.
Okay.
Both of them in towards the body. No.
He's going around the corner.
We have to dig him all the way out, it looks like.
We need to start digging right there.
Let's just make sure that we're not hitting his bottom.
Oh, there's a big root you can't even.
I know, but if we can get our hand around it.
I think he knows we're trying to help it.
I can feel I'm going through right now.
Ah. See, it's trying to move now. Maybe it senses it can move, maybe. Fred, you're going to have to push, and Brian, you're going to have to pull.
You can feel a back leg. It's going straight back.
Oh.
I don't know if the other one is though.
Push. Uh-oh.
There he goes. Let's get up here. Bring him to where we saw his mommy.
We found this little deer in a groundhog hole. We thought it was a little goat got away until we got down in the woods. And here just saw this little black nose and a couple ears sticking out. So we had to get a bar and a spade, and Brian and I dug him out.
All right, let's bring him back where we just saw his mommy.